Hey guys, it's Jeannette. Hope you're all doing well. Now that I'm a nurse and my study buddies are nurses, we decided to put together this list to help students to pass nursing school. So if you found this video, you're probably either having some difficulty or just interested in what it will take to pass nursing school, and I really do hope that these are beneficial to you. All right, so let's just get started. I'm going to run down a list of things that really helped my study buddies and myself get through nursing school. So the most important for me was to write down your goals. Say your goal. Tell your families that you want to be a nurse. Tell your friends you want to be a nurse. Write it down somewhere so it will always be a constant reminder of what you're working towards. It will get tough, but once you get that goal back in your mind, it should give you some motivation. Do your best to eliminate the stressors outside of nursing school. That may mean making sure your household is in order, your finances are in order, you're saving money for tuition, you're looking for any other ways to help you stay more relaxed at home, because nursing school will be stressful and you wouldn't want to tackle both big family issues as well as nursing school. But it does happen. Although we can do everything we can to eliminate the stressors outside of nursing school, you will have to find coping mechanisms that work for you. What is it that helps you manage your stress? Is it going out for a walk every evening? Is it working out? Is it going dancing, listening to music? Find out what that is, because there will be moments that you will be really stressed out and you have to incorporate those coping mechanisms throughout your nursing journey. Carve out enough study time for you. Not for your friend, but for you. Everyone learns differently. Some people may need more time to comprehend the material to be test ready. So it's tough, but make sure that you are studying with enough time and you're not feeling stressed and trying to cram anything in. That will not work in nursing school. This one was a really big one for us: study groups. Study groups and friends allow us not only to vent to each other when things were getting rough, but it allows us to give different point of views on certain topics. It allows one person to help teach the rest of the group or just bounce off ideas. These people will be the closest friends that you will have during the duration of your nursing program, and they really are a big contribution to my success in nursing school. So figure out if you are a study group person or not, and that's okay. But for me and my friends, clearly we're the ones that made this video, we really learned a lot from just studying together. This was a really big one for me: planning, organization, and setting multiple alarms, especially for clinical days. Planning, you want to make sure that in your planner you have all of your assignments that are due, when they're due, and then plan out when you're going to do them. You do not want to miss assignments because they're worth a lot of points. Organization, you do not want to find yourself flustered trying to find all of the notes for exam 2. So get yourself an organizational system. Is it a notebook? Are you going to hole punch all of your notes in there? What will you do to keep yourself organized to make sure that you know where to go for all of your notes? Alarms. So for clinical, you do not want to be late. 1. Most programs, if you're late a certain amount of time, you are considered absent. They may let you stay or they may ask you to leave. Missing a clinical day is not fun. You will probably have to make extra articles and case studies to even make that up, if that's even a choice. And clinical days are worth a lot, especially if it's a care plan day. Meet with your teacher in advance. Meet with them before you get that failing grade. And even if you do get that failing grade, go to your teacher, sit with them, determine what went wrong. What are things that you can do to improve your reading, your studying techniques, and your test taking techniques? So do not be afraid of your teacher. They are there to help you learn and succeed, but you have to be active. You have to initiate some of these meetings. They will be beneficial. So if you fail, dust it off, go meet with them and figure out how you're going to tackle the next exam. So after a meeting with the teacher, you want to determine how you learn best. What will really make the content stick? Is it being more visual? Do you need videos? Do you need to listen to a lecture again? Do you need to write down notes? What system will work best for you to retain the information? I use a lot of supplemental YouTube videos out there that really help break down certain topics, and I personally liked going back and reading sections and tables. So find out what works for you and do that. Remember, you're working towards being a nurse, and nurses take care of patients, so be patient-centered. Everything that you should approach in nursing school should be patient-centered. How do I keep them safe? How do I help them? Remember the nursing process. That is our way that we learn how to make decisions and prioritizations. So approach your lectures and study notes like that. What is happening? What does this patient need? What are the symptoms that I'm seeing? What do I need to do first? Remember, you're trying to help your patient, especially during the Med-Surg 1 and 2 classes. You will be hit with a lot of content. But remember, ultimately, it's to help the patient. So you as a nurse need to find out what's happening and what you can do about it. All right, guys, let's get a little serious here. Do not let anyone or anything get in the way of your success. That may mean negative comments from your friends, your families, your peers, nursing teachers, etc. Whenever you find yourself being negative, snap out of it. Go back and look at that goal. Go back and look at what it's going to look like the day that you can call yourself a nurse, and that should really motivate you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips were helpful for you. I am rooting for you. I support you. Keep your goal in mind, and you're going to be all right. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the videos. Bye.